clean the surface with a tack rag. That's the code if you want to order them. Next thing with the air ducts. So this goes there, and now the next thing is to put the actual air duct from here to here. We also have the bigger bolts. That's the code. Front left, which is the other side. I got this from Germany a long time ago. It's been more than a year. All it needs is just a spray. in the original Yamaha colors of my FZR. Now I did match the colors in some shop. I'll show you the details of the shop. They're very good with colors, with color matching, very professional, and I strongly suggest them if you live in Victoria somewhere or even in Australia. Just played the first base color, which is bluish white cocktail 1, BW31. Definitely we need one more coat, and after that we'll go for the pearl. What I did, I got a pattern of the sticker that it's on the far tail and continue that angle, put it here. The paper wasn't long enough, but I could have a pattern of how the angle is going to look like. This is after the red color application. We're gonna put black in the middle right here, and we're gonna create those two red stripes like these ones. So that is gonna be the continuation.
Mate, I can see the writing on your shirt. What's going on here?
What's going on?
I can see the writing on your shirt, mate.
What do you mean?
I shouldn't be able to see it.
What the f***? Oh, not again. Before I move on my next project, I'm gonna work with this MG Midget. It's a 1967 with 1.3 liter engine. I'm gonna put brake booster because the brakes are not the best. I'm gonna clean and adjust the carburetors and do some work around the car. I'll see you next time, guys. Take care.